So what is going on, everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we are doing a breakfast omelette. We're going to be using the Hodgins black pudding. You can equally use a gluten-free version if you're celiac, and it is a silver award-winning product. With that, we're going to do some red onion, some bacon, and some boiled potatoes. So it's the perfect breakfast or lunch. So the first thing we're going to do is chop our black pudding, make sure everything is finely diced, and get a pan on the heat. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of butter and add our red onion in on top of this. On top of that, we'll add the black pudding, we'll add the bacon, and we'll add the potatoes, and make sure they're getting a nice brown colour. On top of this, we'll do 5 beaten eggs. We're going to lower the heat, let it set a little bit, and put the cheese on top. Now you can pop this in the grill and let the top cook there, or you can put a lid on the pan and that will cook it as well. After 4 or 5 minutes, the omelette should be set. We'll garnish with a little bit of chives on top and serve it up. And what we're left with is this beautiful golden omelette with flecks of black from the pudding, white from the potato, and saltiness from the bacon. It is the perfect brunch, perfect breakfast, and it's just a good, wholesome meal. You can find us on all social media at Hodgins Sausages. Check out our website, and as always, keep on cooking.